Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Rachel and I like to help people find a sense of calm. I created this channel to share tips and tools for mental health and well-being and voice techniques for meditation and healing. Today I thought we would recap some of what we've done so far. So we're going to start with 3 ohms. Then we're going to work through each of the vowel sounds, just 1 repetition of each. Then we'll do a couple of repetitions of Om Namah Shivaya. And then we'll do a couple of repetitions of TATTARE. And then we'll finish with 3 ohms. So first of all, make sure you set yourself up properly. That you're sitting comfortably, that you've got the spine supported by the core muscles. Get yourself a glass of water, so that you can, take a little bit before, but especially afterwards. Really important to hydrate when you've done something like this, especially using the vocal cords. They need water. Remember the column of sound that's behind you, that you're going to just open your mouth and allow that sound to come through. No tension here. Try and let go of any tension in the neck. When you're making the sounds, if you feel tension here, stop. Fall into listening. If you don't feel like making any of the sounds, just listen. Just actively listen to the sounds, because that will also help you come into the now. While you're making these sounds and actively listening to them, you are very powerfully in the here and the now. And in doing that, you're creating a gap in the kind of mind chatter. That mind chatter that normally gets us and we just find ourselves in it, thinking about it. When we chant and make these sounds and actively listen and use our breath, we come into the present and we create a gap. The more times we can create a gap, the more that begins to seep out into our everyday lives. And we just start to notice that we feel more sense of calm and peace of mind. Okay, so we'll begin now by making our 3 ohms, and then we'll move into 1 repetition of each of the vowel sounds, and the order will be R, E, I, O, U. R, E, I, O, U. But if you listen, you will hear. I will also be sitting in the silence that comes after each of the sounds. Okay. Namah Shivaya, Om 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 Namah Shivaya. Om Taratare Ture Swaha, Taratare Ture Swaha, Taratare Ture Swaha, Taratare Ture Swaha. Om Taratare Ture Swaha, Taratare Ture Swaha, Taratare Ture Swaha, Taratare Ture Swaha. So, I hope you enjoyed making the sounds today, and I hope you found a sense of calm. Try and keep something of that sense of calm as you move through your day. And just check in with yourself at various points during the day. Just come back to yourself and tune in to what's going on inside you. Because actually, The answers that you want, they're in you. If you silence the external noise and the mind chatter enough, you can tune into yourself and you'll hear a much smaller voice that's trying to tell you what's right for you. So I'd really encourage you to just sit quietly sometimes and be. So thank you very much for being with me. I will be back very soon. Bye-bye for now.